Now we're gonna practice lying down and sitting up after surgery. So you'll start lying down like this. You're going to carefully walk your legs towards the edge. Push your heel into the bed to lift up your hips and scoot. Walk, 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 push, scoot. Walk, 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 push, scoot. So now you're going to kick your heels off the edge of the bed, rolling to your side like this. And the weight of your legs is gonna be like a pendulum to sit you up. So your top arm pushes on the bed or couch or whatever, and your heels come off the edge and you will pendulum up to sit. And the weight of your legs will help with that. Keep your walker close by so you can easily grab it. And again, to return to bed, you'll be sitting at the edge like this. Keep your body straight like a stick. Top arm reaches for the bed and your shoulder lands in the center of the bed. Legs come up like this, okay? Use the pendulum. Then roll to your back, walk, 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 and get yourself adjusted in bed.